Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Casey Rose Pradeep. So today I'm here to show you some PSCRB exit exam questions because my father is working on this field. So when I was helping him, I thought of that to make some questions for you. So if you're seeing my channel first time, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's go to the video. So the first question is, the capacity of any life raft on a board vessel can be determined by what? Option 1, examining the plate inside the raft container. Option 2, examining the plate outside the raft container. Option 3, examining the raft container. The option B, examining the plate outside the raft container, is the correct answer. Question number 2. If you are forced to abandon the ship in a survival craft, we should do what? Option 1. Remain in the vessel. Option 2. Remain in the vicinity of the vessel. Option 3. All of the above. The option 2. Remain in the vicinity of the vessel is the correct answer. Question number 3. MOB marker, when activated, emits which smoke for how many minutes? Option A, orange smoke for 3 minutes. Option B, orange smoke for 15 minutes. Option C, orange smoke for 30 minutes. Option D, none of the above. Option B is the correct answer. Orange smoke for 15 minutes. Question number 4. You are picking up a person who has fallen overboard. A rescue boat should be maneuvered to normally approach the victim by option A, victim of leeward, option B, victim of lanyard, option C, victim of inflation lanyard. Option A, victim of leeward, is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which word is an international distress signal when transmitted by radio telephone? Option A, May. Option B, day. Option C, Mayday. Option C is the correct answer, Mayday. Question number 6. EPIRB gives what position? Option A, fake time position. Option B, world time position. Option C, real time position. Option C is the correct answer, real time position. Question number 7. Shelf life of EPIRB battery life. Option A, 3 to 6 years. Option B, 3 to 5 years. Option C, 1 to 2 years. The correct answer is option B, 3 to 5 years. Question number 8. What is the purpose of sea anchor? Option A, reduce drift. Option B, reduce diesel. Option C, reduce oxygen. The correct answer is option A, reduce drift. Question number 9. How long SART operates by standby mode? Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 96 hours. Option C, 48 hours. The correct answer is option B, 96 hours. Question number 10. The length of a lifeboat painter. Option A, 2 times maximum freeboard. Option B, 3 times maximum freeboard. Option C, 10 times maximum freeboard. The correct answer is 2 times maximum freeboard. Question number 11. All inflatable life raft has water stabilizing pockets. Option B, water pockets. Option C, none of the above. Option A, water stabilizing pockets, is the correct answer. Question number 12. What must be carried out in order to launch, inflate an inflatable life raft? Option A, pull on the HRU, push on the sea painter. Option B, push on the HRU, push on the sea painter. Option C, push on HRU and pull on the sea painter. Option C is the correct answer. Push on the HRU, pull on the sea painter. Question number 13. Daily food ration for per person on the lifeboat. Option A, 165 grams. Option B 125 grams. Option C 175 grams. Option A 165 grams is the correct answer. Question number 14. Daily food ration for per person on the life raft. Option A 165 grams. Option B 125 grams. Option C 175 grams. Option B 125 grams is the correct answer. Question number 15. Life raft carry how many liters of fresh water? Option A 1.5 liter. Option B 3 liter. Option C 4 liter. The correct answer is option A 1.5 liters. What should you do with your EPIRB if you are in a life raft in a storm? Option A, bring it outside and leave it on. Option B, bring it inside and leave it on. Option C, none of the above. Option B, bring it inside and leave it on is the correct answer, which is not a function of the air supply of a covered lifeboat. Option A, pressurizes smoke spray system. Option B, pressurizes water spray system. Option C, none of the above. Option B, pressurizes water spray system. Question number 80. In normal conditions, in interior spaces, the minimum sound pressure levels for option A 25 dB, option B 80 dB, option C 75 dB. Option C 75 dB is the correct answer. Question number 19. In normal conditions, in exterior spaces, the minimum sound pressure levels for broadcasting emergency announcement shall be option A 25 dB, option B 80 dB, option C 75 dB. Option B 80 dB is the correct answer. Question number 20. EPIRB full form. Option A, emergency position indicating radio beacon. Option B, emergency position influencing radio beacon. Option C, none of the above. Option A, emergency position indicating radio beacon is the correct answer. Question number 21. The floor of a rigid life raft shall option A, be used to keep a life jacket. Option B, be used to keep a foot. Option C, be used to keep an equipment. Option C, be used to keep equipment. Question number answer. 22. The canopy of an inflatable life raft should option A, go into the place where raft is inflated. Option B, go into the place where the David Launch life raft is inflated. Option C, all of the above. Option A, go into the place where raft is inflated is the correct answer. Question number 23. The marine evacuation system shall be capable of transfer of a passenger ship with dash minutes. Option A 5 minutes. Option B 30 minutes. Option C 24 minutes. Option D none of these. Option B 30 minutes is the correct answer. Question number 24. An inflatable life raft can be launched by option A, the float free method only. Option B, through the entire container. Option C, none of the above. Option B, through the entire container is the correct answer. Question number 25. To launch a life raft by hand, you should option A, cut the chasing hands. Option B, detach the cord. Option C, throw the life raft over the side. Option C, throw the life raft over the side is the correct answer. Which of the following steps should normally be taken first by those who have boarded a life raft in an emergency situation? Option A, ration food and water supplies. Option B, determine position. Option C, search for survivors. Option C, search for survivors is the correct answer. Question number 27. The cargo ship survival craft must be launched in how many minutes? Option A 30 minutes, Option B 20 minutes, Option C 10 minutes. Option C 10 minutes is the correct answer. Question number 28. Life raft towed at a speed of how many knots? Option A 1 knot, Option B 2 knot, Option B 3 knots. Option C 3 knots is the correct answer. Question number 29. How many rocket parachutes are there in passenger ship? Option A 5 rocket parachute, Option B 12 rocket parachute, Option C 1 rocket parachute. Option B 12 rocket parachutes. Question number 30. In lifeboat, we can switch on and off the start in how many hours gap? Option A 1 hours gap, Option B 2 hours gap, Option C 3 hours gap. Option C 3 hours gap.